Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sprinklers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or premium performance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Black + Decker 8-pattern turret sprinkler. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $9.99. It's designed for small to medium lawns with a coverage area of up to 962 square feet, making it ideal for compact spaces or irregular yard layouts. With 8 built-in spray patterns, including center, wedge, and rectangle, you get plenty of versatility to target specific areas. Changing spray settings is a breeze thanks to the intuitive twist dial mechanism. In terms of build quality, the sprinkler is constructed from high-impact plastic, ensuring durability across all seasons. While it's not as heavy-duty as other models on this list, it holds up well for its price point, making it a solid choice for homeowners on a tight budget. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent and even water distribution. But the limited coverage area means it's not suitable for larger lawns. The Black + Decker turret sprinkler is perfect for those who need simple, shape-friendly watering without breaking the bank. The main downside is its small coverage area, but for $9.99, it's hard to beat the value this little sprinkler offers. At number 4, we have the Orbit 58573N H2O 6 Gear Drive Sprinkler. This unique sprinkler features 6 adjustable spray patterns, making it great for a variety of watering needs. It's whisper quiet during operation, which is a nice touch if you're tired of noisy sprinklers disrupting your peace. The 360-degree coverage is easy to adjust using the built-in tabs, allowing you to water your lawn or garden with precision. The design is both functional and durable, with a sturdy metal spike that keeps it securely anchored in the ground. Its compact design allows it to outperform many competitors, especially in terms of maneuverability and ease of use. However, the maximum pressure of 65 psi means it might not provide the same high-output performance as some premium models. This Orbit sprinkler is ideal for medium-sized lawns and gardens and offers excellent versatility for its price point. The tripod base adds stability, but the coverage area isn't as expansive as higher-ranked options. If you're looking for an adjustable sprinkler that's simple to use and reasonably priced, this is a great choice. Moving on to number 3, we have the Eden 96213 Lawn and Garden Essential Oscillating Sprinkler. This model steps up the game with coverage of up to 3,600 square feet, making it perfect for larger lawns and gardens. Its standout feature is the 16 precision nozzles, which deliver even and efficient watering for healthy grass and plants. Adjusting the coverage is simple thanks to the sliding tab range controls, which allow you to customize the watering pattern for your specific needs. The weighted base ensures stability during operation, while the sealed turbo drive motor offers smooth performance and extends the lifespan of the sprinkler. Additionally, the built-in cleaning tool is a thoughtful addition that makes it easy to maintain the nozzles and keep them functioning properly. The universal fit means it works seamlessly with standard U.S. garden hoses. While the Eden sprinkler offers excellent features and durability, its plastic construction may not appeal to those seeking a heavier-duty build. Nonetheless, it provides great value for the price and is backed by a 2-year warranty. For anyone looking for a reliable mid-range option, the Eden 96213 is a fantastic pick. Coming in at number 2 is the Melnor 65167 AMZ XT Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler. This premium model is designed for maximum coverage, watering up to 4,500 SQ feet, making it ideal for large lawns or gardens. With 20 precision nozzles and twin-touch controls, you can adjust the width and range of the watering pattern to suit any area. The Zoom control feature lets you fine-tune the overall watering area, whether you're tending to a small patch of grass or a sprawling garden. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that ensure long-lasting performance. The watering width indicators help you visualize and remember your settings, which is a thoughtful addition for users who want precision and consistency. The sprinkler operates smoothly and quietly, even at higher pressures, and is backed by Melnor's lifetime limited warranty for added peace of mind. While the price is on the higher side, the features and performance justify the investment. It's perfect for homeowners who need a premium sprinkler that delivers consistent and customizable watering. The only downside is its slightly bulkier design, but that's a small trade-off for the features it offers. If you're serious about lawn care, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Melnor 65131 AMZ Minimax Turbo Oscillator Sprinkler. This compact, yet powerful sprinkler offers full-size coverage of up to 4,000 square feet, making it suitable for medium to large lawns and gardens. The standout feature here is the 4-way adjustment, which lets you customize the watering pattern with unmatched precision. Whether you need to water a narrow strip or a full lawn, this sprinkler has you covered. The dirt-resistant drive ensures smooth operation even with well water, while the flow-through base allows you to connect multiple units for extended coverage. Its durable plastic construction is lightweight yet sturdy, and it's backed by Melnor's lifetime limited warranty. Customer reviews praise its reliability and ease of use, making it a top-rated choice in its category. While it's the most expensive option on the list at $28.99, the Minimax offers exceptional performance and versatility, making it worth every penny. It's perfect for homeowners who want a compact yet feature-rich sprinkler that delivers professional-level results. If you're looking for the best sprinkler on the market, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.